Afternoon, everyone. I'm Ethan, and we will now discuss compound interest. So, what is compound interest? Compound interest happens when the interest due at the end of a certain period is added to the principal and the sum earns interest for the next period. For example, this is flashed on your screens. And here's how it is all being computed. So the amount A at the end of the year is equal to the sum of the principal P and the interest PR. P times R. In symbols, amount is equal to principal plus principal times rate equals principal times 1 plus the rate. Thus, in general, when interest is compounded annually for n years, the amount is A equals P times 1 plus R plus time squared. Here's the corrected one. So for the second half year, to contain the compound interest, 20,400 times 004 is 408.00. What was written in the pencil is the correct formula. Therefore, at the end of 1 year, the amount of deposit is to 20,808.00 pesos. Kasi in example 1B, the period interval for compounding is 6 months. There are 2 periods per year. The rate is R half per period, and divided by per period is 2n. Thus, if the interest is compounded semi-annually for n years, here's the formula. In the same way, if it's quarterly, this is the formula. A equals P times 1 R4 40. In general, the pattern can be extended for compounding K times per year, where K is called the periodic rate. This has been 365 Life. Thank you for listening.